Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our daily dua. Today we're covering the dua for knowledge. Knowledge is something that is really important. And it is through knowledge that we worship Allah. It is through knowledge that we know how to pray. And it is important that we all take the time to learn about all that is beneficial to us. And that which is the most beneficial to all of us, of course, is the learning of our religion. Our Prophet Muhammad used to make many du'as as it relates to knowledge. And in fact, Allah instructs him in the Quran to ask him to increase him in knowledge. Rabbi zidni ilma. The dua I want to share with you goes as follows. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'a wa rizqan tayyiba wa amalan mutaqabbala. Oh Allah, I ask you beneficial knowledge and halal rizq, good and lawful provision, and actions and deeds that are accepted. These are the three things that you ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and it starts with beneficial knowledge. Now, you don't ask Allah just for any knowledge. You want that which benefits you. And the knowledge that benefits you is the one that leads to action. For knowledge without action is not something that we want. So make this dua inshallah ta'ala, and also strive to learn your deen. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.